Hello everyone, you're watching the channel Incredible Facts. The development of unmanned aerial vehicles is one of the most promising areas of modern military aviation. Drones have already led to significant changes in the tactics of warfare. It is expected that in the near future, their value will increase even more. Today, we will show you the 10 best military drones in the world. Schiebel Camcopter S-100. Schiebel's Camcopter S-100 unmanned air system has proven its capabilities for military and civilian applications. It operates day and night, under adverse weather conditions with a range out to 200 kilometers, both on land and at sea. The S-100 navigates automatically via pre-programmed GPS waypoints. It can also be operated directly with a pilot control unit. Using fly-by-wire technology controlled by redundant flight computers, the Camcopter can complete its mission automatically in the most complex of electromagnetic environments. Its carbon fiber and titanium fuselage provides capacity for a wide range of payload and endurance combinations. V-200. Skeldar V-200 Maritime is a medium-range vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle developed by the Saab Group. The UAV, capable of being launched from the deck of any vessel, delivers real-time intelligence and surveillance. Skeldar V-200 is a more cost-effective alternative to conventional helicopters used in surveillance missions. The UAV can fly at a maximum altitude of 4,500 meters. Its maximum speed is 130 kilometers an hour, and its endurance is 5 hours. The maximum takeoff In March 2005, the USAF awarded a further contract for the system design and development of the MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 has been ordered, with 8 delivered to the USAF. MQ-9 Reaper has an operational ceiling of 50,000 feet, a maximum internal payload of 800 pounds, and external payload exceeding 3,000 pounds. It can carry up to 4 Hellfire 2 anti-armor missiles, 2 laser-guided bombs, and a 500-pound GBU-38 JDAM. The mission can be controlled through line-of-sight data links or through Ku-band satellite links to produce continuous Global Hawk. RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial reconnaissance system, which provides military field commanders with high-resolution, near-real-time imagery of large geographic areas. The Global Hawk can carry out reconnaissance missions in all types of operations. The 14,000 nm range and 42-hour endurance of the air vehicle, combined with satellite and line-of-sight communication links to ground forces, permits worldwide operation of the system. High-resolution sensors, including visible and infrared electro-optical systems and synthetic aperture radar, will conduct surveillance over an area of 14,000 nm squared to an altitude of 65,000 feet in 47B. The X-47B is an unmanned combat air system carrier that is being developed by Northrop Grumman for the U.S. Navy. The strike fighter-size unmanned aircraft is currently in its demonstration phase. The unmanned aircraft was first developed as part of the X-47 program. Operations of the computer-controlled X-47B UCAS are smart, and its flight control system is autonomous. The aircraft has a high subsonic speed of approximately 0.45 meters and a range of roughly 2,100 nm. The UCAS can fly to a maximum altitude of 40,000 feet. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the unmanned aerial vehicles you liked the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss